Guys, look at that. Today my new plant come. Today is Eid day. I'm very happy I get this plant, guys. Guess what? This is Mamey's sapote, guys. This is a layering plant. And this is another sapote. This is Mamey's sapote. Sapote have lots of fruits. Sapote means soft, really. Yeah. This is Mama sapote. Very popular, guys. It is air layering, so should be give fruit in 1 year or 2 year, I think, because root have to develop. So I'm so excited for this today, guys. Look at this, lots of leaves coming. This is indoor because UK, guys, UK weather you can't trust. It's too cold, guys, sometimes. So I'm so excited and happy about this Mummy support today. Hmm. This is my gift for myself, guys. I give always gift to myself. What can I do? Treat myself. No costly clothes, no holiday, nothing, just buy plant. This is my character, guys. I love to buy plant, guys. Sometimes I lost them. I lost lots of money, but still keep trying, guys. So I'm trying. I lost one mummy sapote already, which one was from seed because I put outside and it is die, guys. Anyway, I'm very sorry for this. Now second time the one, guys. Let me see, guys. Miss Sapati. There was lots of maybe leaves drop. Yeah. Let me see. And this sapate I last time make video. Remember, guys? And another sapate is I don't know. Look at that. I changed this pot, but that one I didn't change. Let me see. This one was like dying, so I changed spot. Let me see what happened. Sapadilla, look at that. Sapadilla. This on the right. Chiku, chiku. So, and look at that, my jujube from seed, guys. So this one I make from seed. It's growing very faster. And cross this, look, date plant, bigger than date plant. So date plant is older than this jujube, but jujube cross him. So they're fasting growing. I'm very happy about this, really, guys. Jujube is perfect for UK because I already have two outside, guys, and they're doing very well. One is the in ground, another one in pot. So both are okay, perfect. So in UK we can grow lots of fruits, vegetables. Really, people even don't know that. This is made from seed. When I eat jujube, I put here. This is papaya, but not work, guys. They come, then they die. Nothing to do, guys. There is my one jackfruit in this pot, and this is guava, guys. I eat guava and try to grow. Last year I grew lots of guava and put outside, and they die. So now I'm not taking them outside anymore. So indoor plant dust will be indoor. Just when lots of plant I have, then I try one outside when they are big enough, like this. I don't want to lost all, guys. So they only one jackfruit here. I put daily lots of seed, but they not work anyway, guys. They also, look at that, I was put them outside, so they are affected. When I bring back, they're just coming anyway. This is turmeric or something like this. And papaya is maybe will work, maybe not. Just come, this much I know. So guys, this is this happened, and look, all leaves are dropped from this tree because when I see the root was like a stuck and stuck with too much watery. So when I change here, I don't know it will work or not. Just waiting and checking this will work or not. This little bit dry. I broke and this is still okay. Let me see. So this window gardening is here like this. So Mamey sapote is my main thingy today, guys. I'm so excited about this. Mama sapote. Let me measure with my hand, guys. Look at that. Little bit thicker. Like not bad, quite bigger. So pray for me, pray for my sapote, guys. I love to grow tree because it is, if it is work, then generation by generation your family can eat the fruit. You know, our religion. So today is Eid. My Eid is by this Mamey sapote, guys. So when people or animal eat the fruits, they pray for you, and you're giving something to the God creation. Like God create people, God create the animals, insect, all are need food. So when you growing plant, you're giving oxygen to everyone, and also you're giving fruits. This is a very great job, guys. I feel this is most ethical job. You're growing fruit trees, guys. I don't know UK whether will be okay or not. Maybe a few years I have to keep, then try to make another plant, like 3 4 plant I make, keep inside for backup, then extra one maybe I can try outside. And enough big, guys. So have to wait this plant give more branches. So I may, this is air layering, so I will try to make more air layering and make them established inside and try outside. So I have to make more space for plant indoor. So maybe I will reset up my downstate plant and upstate make more easy to set up for more plant. Really like this I will do. Until I buy my own house, I have to manage in this house how much possible. So guys, mama, mommy, this is mother of all sapote. The sapote have lots of sapote, like uh, green sapote, white sapote, Mamey sapote, chiku. This is also a sapote. They have more like rose sapote, cinnamon, apple. This is like a sapote too. So I'm trying to collect all if possible, guys. It's not possible always. Like I tried to collect green sapote, I didn't get yet. So you know, lots of plant I buy and lots of I lost. Still I'm happy because in summer you see in my garden I have lots of fruits like grapes, like apple, then pig, jujube, kind of jujube. It is like a name is murder. I have. So I'm happy anyway. I have little bit strawberry, currants, red currant, black currant, white currant, goji, lots of things. I don't know of name then. So this is today is very exciting day for this really. It might be 10 April today. Yeah, I have to check really. Mama, sapote, mama, mommy. It is like a fruit like a papaya. Look like papaya and food value also like papaya, I think. Yeah, I didn't eat because you can't buy from local market, so how can you eat? This I eat, sabeda, sabeda, chika. This you can get in market, common Asian market. This I never eat. It's not available. For that you have to go America or Asian country like Indonesia, like this other country. So I'm happy, guys. Look like a mango leaves, is it? Mm. I don't give any water, guys. I don't know. It's okay if I don't give water because too much water also danger for tree because root is important. If root is make problem, then this soil not very dry. Okay, check today. I will give more wood chip because wood chip is good for tree to give extra food value to the soil. I keep that one for light reflection is good. Light and heat also they reflect. And sun come, they maybe give extra heat. Also light, like a street light, will give him little heat. So grow your own green, guys. No wasting time for costly clothes or something. I really like invest. This is my little investment in my garden and I love it. I enjoy it, guys. How much I make my garden. I'm proud for myself. And so, before I used to do allotment, too much dirty politics, old people, they're just playing game with people, harassing people. So I make allotment in my home. Now I have quite big garden and I'm happy, very, very happy. And next I want more and more bigger land with house. So I'm just collecting my plant and saving them, trying to save them, guys. So that is, you see, guys, jujube also very nice fruits, guys, and also growing very easily in UK. It is fantastic. Commonly people even don't know that. If you don't try, guys, how you know? This jackfruit will be 1 year when June, July come because last year I tried. There was die and now come back. So take care of yourself, guys, and bye bye and peace up, guys. Grow lots of vegetables for you and for your family, guys. Bye bye and peace up, guys.